Okay, hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to uh, put the page border in Microsoft Word into your document. Yes. Okay. So this is the document that I already typed, and now it doesn't have the border. So I would like to put the border in this document, right? Okay. So in order to put it, so let's go to design. Okay. Choose design. And then you see the page border here and you choose the box here, right? Okay, so the border here can be the line, or sometimes if you want to change the line, it's okay. Many kind of line, right? Okay, we have dash, double line, third line, and so on, right? Okay, so now I choose the third have set three line. Okay, and we can change the color also, right? Okay, the color here you can change, you can choose red color now. And this border you want to have only the first page or the whole document. If you think that you want to have the first page only, so you choose this. Okay, and then you click OK. Now it have for only the first page, and I go to the border again. And if you want to have the whole document, you choose whole here, and all the of your page it will have the border, right? Okay, now let's see again. Now have all, right? And for the page border, beside we put the line like this, we have add also, right? Add, we can put add, like here, and choose the pictures in this ad, right, that you want, like choose the Christmas tree. And if you want to increase the white size, so you can here, or decrease, you can click decrease it, right? After that, you want to put the whole document or the first page, up to you, right? So now I choose the whole document. Okay, so and then I click OK. Okay, so now my document have the border with the Christmas tree, right? Okay, so that's all for my video. Okay, if you think it's important, please help to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.